Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This video is just an update of the trades that I'm in currently. So I'm still holding on to the trade that I have yesterday, and today I just entered a few more trades when gold retraced here, tested this level, and I managed to enter some more sell trades, as you can see. So maybe let's I usually don't want to do this so early in the game, but we'll see. My idea my idea is that we're going to see gold come back to the $2,000 levels. That's where I'm expecting gold to go. Why am I expecting gold to go there? Because I'm seeing there's still some movement in the dollar index. The dollar index still looks to me like it wants to push and break through this level here. So if the dollar pushes up to here, let's say, my mouse is sticky, let's say at least around this level there, this movement, if not this level, and certainly this level, this movement means gold and silver will certainly need to do some movement going downwards. So if not 2010 level, if not this level for gold, this looks like the immediate level. If not this 2010 level for gold, then certainly we're going to see gold drop down to test the $2,000 level. So it remains to be seen. By the way, you can do your analysis, your stellar analysis, you can do everything in the markets, but remember guys, the market will humble you. The market will do whatever the market wants to do. So to help myself with that, let me just protect myself and just apply some stop losses. And the way I trade is mostly swing trading, mostly supply and demand and channels. I call it supply and demand, but it's not exactly supply and demand, support resistance, but I don't know what to call it really. But it has been working for me. Like I always said in my other videos, if something is working for you, stick with it. Guys, I've seen people making a lot of money with Fibonacci. I always give that example. I've seen people making a lot of money with Fibonacci. I can never make money with Fibonacci. I tried it, I failed. I couldn't make money with Fibonacci, but this has made me money. I've done several videos already on this channel. Look for those videos where you can download this system also, as well as the settings that I'm using, and you can use your own settings. Don't just take everything from me and think that it's the golden standard. No, I've given it out so that you can also play with it. Do what you think is best, what you want to do with the system. Look for those videos on this channel. Now turning to silver, because I'm in a silver trade. You can see I entered a sell there, and this is my current stop loss here. Silver is resting right here at $24 against the dollar. So we'll see what will happen. Let's just move this stop loss there. Let's see if silver wants to break through here. If I kind of zoom out a bit, if we go to the daily, you can see I've got channels. The system that I've used, I've gone through many revisions of it, but it basically can tell me what I'm looking at because I'm trading these channels. So my immediate probability assumption is that we are probably going to see silver coming to this level if the dollar can continue pushing up. If the dollar continues pushing up, then silver and gold will continue to drop. Unfortunately, I am not in any Euro USD trades. This should have been some good trades. If it ended on Euro USD, you could be smiling to the bank. But yeah, I'm not in there, and I have been touched Euro USD. But yeah, hopefully some of the guys are in trading Euro USD, selling Euro USD. I'm not in any GBP USD, AUD and the other pairs. I'm just December. You don't want to put too much money on the line as well. As you know, some of the big guys that move the markets are taking their holidays right now, and you don't want to risk too much of your account this month. You want to save your account for next year when the markets will reopen with energy. So yeah, just wanted to give an update of the trades that I'm currently in. If you want to learn more about the system that I'm using, really look for the videos on this channel. I've done several videos on this channel regarding this system and how I trade, and I think I should be starting to get some risk off the table now, because that's what you want to do. At some point, I want to start with silver. At some point, you want to get a risk off the table. So I'm going to get rid of about 3/4 of that trade. Bank that. Then go to this gold trade again, also remove 0.75, so that whatever happens, you have what? You have banked your some of the money. So let's just go back to the gold chart. So I'm now going to get rid of risk of these trades that I opened today. These are the trades. So again, just getting rid of 0.75. Again, getting rid of 0.75, so that whatever happens now, I'm just playing with money that I got from the market. And if the market still wants to continue going down, I can still continue holding without panicking. You can better sleep at night without thinking about is the market going to turn against me. So basically right now, if gold wants to turn against me or maybe do this kind of thing, because I haven't even checked the news. That's the thing about when you're trading higher time frames. Sometimes you don't even know that news happened unless it was major news that really spiked like this. But otherwise, these candles, news can be involved in these candles, and you can absorb it if you are trading higher time frames. That's why I trade higher time frames. So yeah, let's see what happens with these trades. But otherwise, now I've taken much of my trades off the table. Whatever happens. But let's hope that the dollar will continue to be strong. I can see here it's rejecting. I can see here it wants to reject. If it's going to reject and do this, then obviously my stop losses are going to be hit. obviously my stop losses are going to be hit. But let's see what the dollar index has in store for us. So guys, this is what I have today for you. Watch the videos on this channel if you're wondering what is this guy doing, how is he trading, and stuff like that. Look for the videos on this channel. I've already done several videos regarding the way I trade. For those that are looking for a good reliable broker, see the links in the description box below. Those brokers, I basically have worked with them for more than 5 years now. Very reliable. You deposit your money, you get your money back if you make some money. So let's see what happens with these trades. But let's pray that USDXY wants to push up, because if it continues pushing up, then obviously we continue pushing down in my trades, and that will be a good week, a good trading week. Guys, let me leave it here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.